Following a disaster, survivors might face several different challenges related to education and family matters. Recognizing when these issues are likely to arise in the disaster recovery timeline is crucial for effective preparation and response. Certain challenges tend to emerge in the immediate aftermath of a disaster, particularly within the first 6 weeks. Others unfold over the intermediate terms, around 6 months after the event. And yet, some issues persist, potentially affecting survivors for years. This video aims to map out a timeline of these post-disaster concerns, offering insights into when they might occur and directing you to resources that can help address them. Let's dive in. Short-term issues immediately following a disaster include issues such as school closures and accessing learning materials, emergency custody orders to ensure a child's care and protection, identifying temporary guardians or care situations for children when parents or legal guardians are unable to care for them, filing for temporary protection orders, and filing for divorce. Issues that occur in the medium term include implementing temporary educational arrangements, accessing education and healthcare services, which may require addressing custody-related documentation and permissions, repairing damaged educational facilities to enable a return to normal school operations, relocation decisions that can affect existing custody arrangements and agreements, legal custody challenges, especially if pre-disaster arrangements were informal or if a disaster has significantly altered the living or financial situation of the custodial or non-custodial parent, navigating the process of getting a permanent protection order, divorce property and asset divisions, and changes in spousal or child support. Long-term issues may include establishing long-term or permanent custody arrangements that reflect the new realities post-disaster, including changes in living situations, income, and the physical and mental health of parents and children, adoption and foster care, and finalizing divorce. Remember, while the path to recovery can seem overwhelming, you're not alone. Numerous organizations, resources, and legal aid organizations stand ready to assist. You can stay a step ahead by visiting the Department of Homeland Security (DHS) website provides information to help you prepare with your family for a disaster. This includes information planning resources like disaster kit contents, how to make a family emergency plan, and school emergency plans. The Louisiana Department of Children and Family Services is another great resource for families struggling after a disaster. DCFS administers disaster food stamps, DSNAP, and other food stamps, SNAP, programs such as Supplemental SNAP and Replacement SNAP. More information on these benefits and how to apply can be found on the DCFS website. Navigating through the aftermath of a disaster requires resilience, understanding, and access to the right resources. For more detailed guidance, resources, or assistance on these issues, do not hesitate to explore louisianalawelp.org or seek professional advice.